She looks like she's tiny. Going surfing. Happy Aloha Friday. Lena's already beating us up front. Happy Aloha Friday. Heading out for a sunset surf. Steph is with me. It's been a long week, but intro. Gotta get yeah. Alright. We're gonna go surf. No, but I think it'll get nicer. Oh my gosh. I'm surfing on my old board for the first time in a little bit. So it feels a little different. Look how freaking nice it looks. Shoo! Oh, okay. Had to put my hair up. It's so nice out. It's a little slight wind chill, but not too bad. Steph's already out there. Oh, that's awesome. She's behind me. Together. I think some waves are coming. Looking pretty clean. Let's try and catch. No, I got that. Lena, you got it. Go! Go, 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 go. Damn. A little bit smaller. Hopefully some bigger cuts coming up. How many have you caught so far?
Oh, 0.
0?
Yeah.
I don't believe that.
I only paddled for 1, I think.
Only for 1?
What is that? Was that you? Oh my god!
That was my foot. It was so funny. All day.
It gives me more of a headache.
Yeah.
Because I'm like making this crunchy face.
Yeah. I had a shot of espresso before this and I thought it helped, but not really. Who's getting it? If we go. fun. Waves are so fun. Well, small but glassy. So nice out. So fun. That was a fun one. Okay. The sun has set. It's time to go in. It's pretty dark. It's pretty dark.